So I had 3 boxes delivered to my home the other day, and I asked you guys to help me decide which one to unbox first. The votes are in, and you guys decided on box number 3. So if you want to see what's in that box, just keep watching. Hey, I'm Dre and welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. Over here we talk about luxury and contemporary handbags and accessories, lifestyle, and staying fly on a budget. So if those are things that you're into, go ahead and subscribe. But I wanted to thank everybody for participating in the poll. I just thought it would be fun to get you guys' input on which box I should unbox first on this channel. So thank you again to everybody who voted. And since you guys voted for box number 3, you actually are getting a bonus. So there's going to be 2 items that I will unbox for this because I actually purchased something to go with box number 3 that did not arrive the same day as the box did. It actually came yesterday. So we'll start with the smaller item first. Now both of these pieces are from the Coach outlet. Here we go again with them wrapping stuff up in these little envelopes. This particular piece though is okay because it's an SLG, so this is fine to be wrapped in an envelope. But I have another SLG that came yesterday that I will be revealing later on that should have been put in a box that's also in an envelope like this. So we'll talk about that when that time comes. But let me get into these scissors. So I was actually online last week on the Coach outlet, and I had it's weird because I actually visited the Coach outlet last week, or either the week before last. Yeah, I think the week before last. My husband and I went, and I picked up the Peyton and the little card case then. But that earlier that day, I had actually ordered some additional items from Coach online that weren't available in my local outlet store. So those pieces were shipped to me. So this is one of 4. So today we'll be doing 2 of the 4 pieces that I actually ordered from the Coach outlet. So this first one is the zip card case with the creature or the bug print. I just thought this was so cute. Let me take this off. At least it's wrapped right. It's wrapped very nicely, so I'm not going to complain about it being in this envelope. And again, this is a really small piece, so I don't see anything wrong with how they wrapped this particular item. But here we go. This is the zip card case. As you can see, it says it's got the Coach on the bottom. So the front has two slots here. Then you've got a compartment behind it. Open this up. When you get inside of this zipper compartment, it's just an open compartment. So this would be cool for like change or extra cards or whatever. And then you have your ID pocket on the back. And then you've got the little gold chain. Now this chain isn't removable, but you could clip this onto something else, or you could use this as just a little wristlet, I guess. But I purchased it to go inside of actually a few of my handbags. So I have a couple of bags in chalk that I can wear with this. I figured this would look nice with my, I could wear this inside of my Gucci Jackie. I could also wear this inside of my Coach Quilted Studio in chalk, which I'm not gonna grab, but I've got the Quilted Studio in chalk with the brass hardware. It'll look really nice in that as well. With the sage, I was also thinking that it would pair well with this. And it does. So yeah, I thought this was adorable. This was just really cute. I don't think I would want this print on like a handbag or something larger, but I thought it was absolutely perfect for accessories and SLGs. So that's why I grabbed it. Now let's get into the actual handbag. So do you guys have any idea what I actually picked up from the outlet? If you think you know, comment down below. Let's get into this. So this is another piece that I've wanted for a minute, and actually this color wasn't introduced not too long ago at the outlet, and I was holding off on it because of the price, and it went on sale. And I finally decided to go ahead and get it because it was, I think I paid $128. So this bag was originally, I want to say $199 or something like that. You know how sometimes when stuff is first released at the outlet, you know, it's still inexpensive, but we already know that the price is going to go down a little bit. So I waited because I have this same bag in 2 other colors, and I knew that the price would go down. So I was just hoping that they wouldn't run out of this color before they went on sale. And I was able to go ahead and get it. Now, Coach Outlet did ship this bag in a box. So we'll give them credit for that. And where did this one come from? This one came from Sawgrass Mill Circle in Sunrise, Florida. So shouts out to y'all for putting this in a box instead of throwing it in an envelope. So let's see, what does it say I paid for this? Yeah, I paid $128, and this is the quilted terry in the color yellow. So guys, I just thought this yellow was just so pretty. And when I saw this bag online, I knew immediately that I wanted it in this color. I just didn't want to pay full price for it. And like I said, I was a little concerned that this color would sell out, but it hadn't. And so I was able to get it for less than $150. So I'm really happy about that. We're not going to spend a whole lot of time on this bag because you guys know what the quilted terry looks like. I've showed you mine. I have it in pink and black. So this is a third one that I've added to my collection. But just real quick, you guys can see that it has the quilted C on the front. The stitching is white. It's hard to tell. It's either white or like a light yellow. It's not the same color of the bag, but it does complement the color of the bag, I think, quite nicely. The inside on here is, it's like a brown, just a brown textile lining, nothing special about it. You got a slip pocket behind the story patch on the back wall, and on the front wall, there are like 2 card slot holders. The yellow hang tag. All of the quilted terries come with silver hardware. This one is no exception. You can see it has the shoulder strap here that I like to use to dress up other bags also. And now I have 3 of these because I got 3 bags. So this is going to be really nice. And then you also have the long web strap that comes with it. So I'm really glad that I was able to pick this beauty up at the price that I got her, and that I was able to get the color that I wanted before it sold out. So this is all I have today, guys. I just wanted to come on here and show you the quilted terry that I got along with the zip card case. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. And if you're one of the many people who view my videos a lot but haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do me that solid and hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that bell for future updates. And until the next time we see each other, take care of yourselves. Bye.